Have you ever looked up at the night sky, mesmerized by the countless twinkling stars, and wondered what stories they hold? For millennia, humans have gazed at the constellations, weaving myths and meaning into the celestial tapestry. Tonight, we set our sights on a particularly intriguing group of stars, the twins, or Gemini. But Gemini is more than just a constellation. It's a symbol, an archetype that has echoed throughout history in art, literature, and even psychology. So, the question remains, what exactly is the Gemini symbol? To truly understand the symbol, we need to delve into its celestial origins. Gemini, the twins, depicts Castor and Pollux, two mythological brothers known for their unwavering loyalty and love for each other. In some versions of the myth, they were both born human, while others claim one was immortal and the other mortal. Regardless, their bond transcended the boundaries of life and death, a concept beautifully captured in the constellation itself. Visually, the Gemini symbol is quite simple. Two parallel lines, often slanted slightly, represent the twins standing side by side. Some variations depict stars at the ends of the lines, further emphasizing the celestial connection. While seemingly straightforward, this simplicity belies a profound depth of meaning. The two lines represent duality, the two sides of a coin, the light and the dark, the logical and the emotional. Gemini embodies the concept of opposites existing in harmony, a constant push and pull within ourselves. We all have contrasting traits, desires, and experiences that make us who we are. The Gemini symbol reminds us to embrace this duality, to find balance and understanding within ourselves. But Gemini isn't just about internal struggles. It also represents communication and connection. The twins stand together, engaged in a seemingly endless conversation. This signifies the importance of communication in building relationships, of exchanging ideas and perspectives. Strong communication allows us to bridge the gaps between ourselves and others, fostering empathy and understanding. The symbol's adaptability is another fascinating aspect. Depending on the context, the two lines can be interpreted as Roman numerals for two, a gateway, or even a handshake. This adaptability reflects the Gemini personality, versatile, curious, and forever seeking new experiences and knowledge. The influence of the Gemini symbol transcends the night sky. In ancient Greece, Hermes, the messenger god, was often associated with Gemini. His role as a communicator and trickster aligns perfectly with the symbol's core themes. We can also see reflections of Gemini in Norse mythology with Odin and Loki, two brothers with contrasting personalities who are nonetheless bound together. The symbol's impact continues into the modern world. The Roman numeral for two, derived from the Gemini symbol, is a universal language, recognized and understood across cultures. The concept of duality is explored in countless works of art, from literature like Robert Louis Stevenson's Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde to films like Fight Club that delve into the complexities of the human psyche. Psychology also embraces the concept of duality. Carl Jung, a renowned psychologist, proposed the theory of archetypes, universal patterns, and symbols that shape our understanding of the world. The Gemini archetype represents the duality within ourselves, the anima and animus, the feminine and masculine aspects present in all individuals. Understanding the Gemini symbol empowers us to explore the multifaceted nature of ourselves and the world around us. It reminds us to embrace our duality, to communicate effectively, and to remain open to new experiences and perspectives. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky and spot the constellation Gemini, remember the rich symbolism it holds, a reminder of the fascinating dance between opposites that defines the human experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.